If you are married to a younger man, wow, that could have been wonderful in many ways. However, when it comes to qualifying for Medicare, it could create a problem. For you to qualify for Medicare, when you did not work enough and pay in enough Medicare FICA taxes, which would be at least 10 years. Let's say you were a stay-at-home mom and you didn't do it. You will qualify off your spouse's work record. So let's say you're these people that you see on the internet where she's 81 and he's 45. Or these people that are kind of famous where there's an even bigger age gap. If she never worked and paid in, she can qualify off of his work record. You have to have been married only 1 year. He had to qualify, meaning he paid into Social Security for at least 10 years. Now, Medicare typically starts at age 65. So she's getting ready to turn 65. I don't know what he is, like 21 or something. She cannot qualify, even though she's been married 1 year, even though she's 65, because he is not at least 62. Okay? A lot of insurance agents don't know this rule either. So if you've never heard this and you got the younger husband, pay attention. Let's look at the chart. So to qualify off your spouse had to work at least 10 years and pay into Social Security taxes. That's 40 quarters. You have to be married at least 1 year. And then this is the kicker. If I'm going to draw off my younger spouse, he has to be at least 62. Then I have to be at least 65. So if he's way younger than me, even though we qualify in all the other manners and I'm at least 65, I can't draw Social Security. So I hope it was worth it. If you learned something today, share it with your friends and family. Most people don't know any of this. Check out our website for other great information if you're getting ready to retire. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.